Hey you guys. All right, so we actually got a call to do a walkthrough on a Title Max corporate office downtown. Huge. I mean, this office is huge. I don't think I've done one this big before. Okay, 10,000 square feet at the bottom, 6,000 at the top. Okay, so on this video here, I'm gonna bring you in on the walkthrough so you can see everything, and then I'm gonna show you the final. Okay, so what they really want us to do is to focus on the floors. They want us to focus on glass on the inside, not the outside, and the surfaces, bathrooms, that type of thing. You know what I'm saying? But this is big. Okay, so you might be wondering how we found this client. We found this client through Google. Okay, they found us on Google. I don't know how to say it, but they found us on Google. Okay, so make sure you guys got a good website, SEO, all that good stuff, because that's how they found us. Okay, they Googled and they found us, and we happen to have some nice reviews. So, but check this video out. Walkthrough.
Don't worry about anything back there.
Nothing back here.
Nothing back here, but it would be this break room area.
All right.
Okay.
All right, let's take a peek inside this refrigerator.
Yeah, and I'll need to confirm if it stays or if it goes. I don't know.
Okay. Perfect.
We've been very busy with getting this whole building. I mean, it was packed with people. Think about it. Cubicles everywhere.
I can imagine.
Wow. And now we have about 60 people in our space in our other building when we used to have like 20.
Wow.
So.
Oh my gosh, so you're moving across the street?
Yes, so we just built out a brand new space like by the Regions Bank side, the side y'all were walking on. That's brand new, and then the entrance straight across is second floor and basement. So it's a big building, you just don't know, but we moved everyone in here over there. That's the conference room.
Oh, excuse me. Let's move out the way.
Sorry.
Okay. Well, you guys did a good job of moving all this stuff. Oh my God.
It's been,
y'all had to break all the stuff down. Ooh.
oh yeah, it's, between multiple vendors and our own team getting in here.
Right. How much time would the team need, would they have to complete the job?
So realistically, I'm going to be honest with you, this lease in terms on October 14th.
October 14th.
Which is...
All right, you guys. All right, so we won the bid. Yes, we won the bid. You guys just saw us walk through that huge facility, okay? And we placed the bid. If you want to know what we bid on it, you got to join our community, okay? But now, today, we're actually going to go in there and we're going to do a final walkthrough because my crew is finished. Today is the last day they're going to be working on it. It took about 3 days, okay? 3 days. And today is the last day, and we're gonna go in there and check it out. See how the crew is doing, okay? So check it out. A lot better than it did when we first walked it. Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Hopefully we'll clear this one time.
You about to mop in here?
I sure am. You want to take your time?
Okay. I thought they were going to have all this done. So they didn't do the painting on the wall.
Well, I let her know that we're available, but I think that's the building.
Yeah, okay. But she said they was gonna have it done. Oh well. All right. Looks good, looks good. All right, you guys. Now, wasn't it big, humongous? Okay, so I know you guys are thinking, I know what y'all gonna say. What did you bid on that account? Okay, I know you want to know the answer, right? So if you want to know the answer, I answer all the questions inside of our community. I'm going to break down exactly how we bid and we won this account on this huge office facility. Join our community. Click the link in the bio. Okay, it's free. It's free. Nobody gonna take your little funky coins. It is free. Okay, for the first 7 days, and then it's $37 after that. That's still cheap. Okay, but if you want to know how we bid on there, yes, you have to join the community and tap in. All right. Until the next video, we out of here.